What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie Mo, back at it again with another video. I want to thank every one of you guys right now for watching this channel. If you're new to the channel, do two things: like and subscribe. We are growing every single day. This video has nothing to do with cars. It's just me talking to you guys, my true supporters. I want to say thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. This has been a journey. I done tried different things, like I told you guys multiple times. I done tried different things to find my niche, and I happen to do cars after trying different things with reptiles, doing daily vlogs, doing video games, all these different things that was me. But now God found me my niche, got into the car scene in 2017, which is a blessing. I just want to tell you guys how grateful I am to have you guys as supporters. You know, a lot of people don't understand, you know, having this many subscribers is not easy. It's very hard. If you start a YouTube channel, it's very hard to get 100 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's really hard unless you got connections with people that's big already that can put you on and stuff like that. But doing this from the ground up it's hard. You got to make videos every day. You got to edit videos, and then whatever you're doing, you got to make time to record it. It's a lot that goes into it. It's not easy. It's a very difficult thing. But at the end of the day, I know, you know, it's going to take me places. And I mean, it's already allowed me to reach so many people I never thought I would come across in life. You know what I'm saying? And I'm blessed. I'm really excited for the future, because I know it takes that one video. It's going to take that one video for me to just go to a whole nother level with my career with YouTube. But, you know, from all the things I have accomplished so far with the small time of frame I have, it's just been a journey, and it's been a grind. There's times where I'm at home and I just get frustrated. There's some YouTubers I watch that I've been around before them, and they start a channel, they meet up with somebody, give them a shout out, they do link ups, they don't put half of the grind, half of the work, and then they blow up, they get all these, and then I'm just sitting here salty, like at times, be like, damn, man, because I'm actually, every day I'm making a video. I might not post a day. Sometimes I might take a day off. I post every day. And sometimes I get discouraged. I just like, damn, man, it's like I'm doing all this shit, and it's like, it gets difficult. But, you know, I just say, I just don't give up on myself. You know, I don't give up on myself. I know my time is coming. It's going to take that one video and it's over. You know what I'm saying? I come across a few of you guys in person that support me on my YouTube channel, and I do appreciate y'all. You know, just reading comments, getting messages on my Instagram, getting messages in my emails, just positive feedback, you know what I'm saying? It just keeps me going even more and more, because I'm already hungry regardless. But the simple fact that I see I got people that show me love, I do appreciate y'all, like, so much. We almost at my second milestone. The first milestone was reaching 1,000 subscribers. Now we almost at 5K. We less than 120 away from achieving that goal. I don't know how fast it's gonna come. Hopefully come sooner. Hopefully come by next week. But I'm just grateful, y'all. Like, I really appreciate those that really support me. I know there's gonna be people that come on my thing to be nosy, to talk shit, or da-da-da-da-da, you know, on the internet and shit, but don't do it in person. You know, it is what it is. That's what comes with this territory. But, you know, and of course I want to do hella shit to my cars. I don't have money. I'm not rich. You know what I'm saying? I'm struggling. I'm trying to make things happen. That's why I put my life out there for y'all to see and be inspired, because if it's something that you want to do, you should do it. You know, and I'm just trying to lead it by example. I even help a few people, you know, with businesses and stuff with my platform, my small channel, but it's allowed businesses to run for certain people. And it's just, that's how I want to do. No matter how big I get, I'm gonna always stay humble, and I'm gonna always help others that I feel that's put in the work as well. And you know, that's what it is. And I just wanted to tell you guys thank you, man. Sometimes I just sit in my room, especially during this COVID time where I can't really do things. I mean, I'm a homebody at nature, but, you know, sometimes I sit in my room, I just think, I'm like, damn, man, I just can't wait for that opportunity. I'm seeing all these big YouTubers like reaching big numbers and stuff. I just can't wait for that moment. And at the end of the day, I only can be myself. I'm not gonna be nothing fake. I'm not gonna trying to chase nobody else. Like, I'm being me. And if I can't reach that number, then it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I'm never changing who I am as a person. I'm gonna always be me, real, honest, open with y'all. So I just want to tell you guys, thank you guys so much for all the support. I just wanted to make this quick video. It's not even gonna be edited. And thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for believing in me. Thank you for showing me love, man. I'm just a young little dude, came from Oakland, California, not knowing this is gonna be the lane I was gonna be in. I thought I'd be a rapper or an athlete or whatever it is, and I'm doing something totally new. I'm the only person in my family do this shit from both sides. Nobody really does this, you know what I'm saying? And for me to be where I'm at, met who I met, come across so many people, man, it's just a blessing. It's an opportunity, and I'm nowhere near where I need to be. But we almost at my next milestone. Thank you guys so much for believing in me. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out just to watch a second of my videos. Thank you guys for subscribing. I can't do this without you guys. I really can't. And I just wanted to get this out because I'm just all in my feelings and thinking about certain things. But thank you guys so much. And man, I can't wait. I can't wait for that moment where I can pull up to my own big crib and have all these exotic cars and my tuners and everything. So thank you guys so much. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Stay safe. We got more videos dropping. I just want to let you guys know, thank you so much. We almost there. We almost to the second milestone, 5,000. And after that, it's going to be 10K. Let's do it, y'all. I love y'all. Stay safe. One.